Jack Johnson, Sugar Ray Robinson, Muhammad Ali. These are three of the biggest black boxers in the history of the sport. Coming up, we'll take a look. This is one of 28 murals, and we'll explain why a local Phoenix nonprofit raising awareness for Black History Month.
All right, February is Black History Month, and here in Phoenix, one nonprofit is celebrating the occasion by painting 28 murals, one for each day of the month. This is the second straight year of the Shining Light Foundation has done this project. ELLIOTT POLAKOFF is live in downtown Phoenix with more on how this foundation is trying to raise awareness about black leaders past and present. Hey, ELLIOTT.
Hey, Kim and Whitney, these murals, they are spread out across the city of Phoenix. We're at the intersection of H Street and Jefferson Street, where behind me you can see an artist working on a boxing theme one with Muhammad Ali, Sugar Ray Robinson, and Jack Johnson. It's not quite done yet, as you can see, but the plan is for all 28 of these murals to be finished in the next couple of weeks. And this project is started all the way back in June of last year. The Shining Light Foundation did the same mural project last year as well, but this year it's not just in the valley. There are murals in other major cities across the United States like LA, Dallas, and Atlanta. And here in Phoenix, these murals, they're not just a chance to educate, they are also a chance for collaboration. The Shining Light Foundation working with Phoenix school districts that write short essays about each of the figures on these murals. All in all, about 22 artists working on these 28 murals, and there's some of the Phoenix Suns, Simone Biles, and obviously some, as you can see, from some older generations. It's all part of a bigger vision to get creative when it comes to black history.
We just went there and we looked at the wall, and sometimes, you know, we're driving down the street and we say, oh my gosh, that's a beautiful wall. It's in a heavy populated area. It get a lot of traffic. Let's paint a mural over there and see if the owner's up to it. And, you know, a lot of the times, I would say 98% of the times, the owners was like, yes.
And all in all, these murals, they will be completed by February 11th. I can tell you that much because there's actually going to be a documentary airing about the whole process of last year's mural making project. Coming up tonight in Arizona's Family, we'll hear from one of the artists who is working on these murals. For now, live in downtown Phoenix, ELLIOTT POLAKOFF, Arizona's Family.